This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by getting the raid code itself and confirming who posted it. Ask for the code in chat and copy it exactly. Once done, open Pokémon GO and tap raid to enter a code. Make sure your raid pass is available and your phone has stable GPS. If you're the host, select invite only and paste the code into the group. This first phase reduces wasted trips and locks in who can join, so you don't miss the lobby window. After entering the code and joining the lobby, review teammates and roles, call out whether you'll use glass cannons or balanced squads. Then configure your party. Choose counters that exploit the raid boss's weaknesses and pre-select movesets. Make sure to align Mega Evolutions, Friend Boosts, and Weather-boosted attackers for maximum DPS. This short-term coordination changes win probability. Finally, communicate shield usage and revive reserves so everyone understands expectations before the countdown begins. Begin the battle with focus. Use shields defensively and swap when an attacker is about to faint. Once the boss falls, immediately collect rewards and follow the catch flow. Use berries and golden Raz as needed to secure the catch. If someone drops or the code fails, try rejoining quickly or request the organizer to reissue a new code. In persistent GPS or login errors, restart the app and re-enter the code. This final step secures rewards and handles typical failure modes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.